Hello everyone. Open your Capcut. Select the video which you want to enhance. Example like this. Now remove the end option. Go to adjust. Select video quality. Select video quality. Then enhance the quality to Ultra HD. After the quality is enhanced, export the video. After exporting, before exporting, add 4K filter. Then export the video. Now go to VMake app and import the video you just selected. Now after the enhance, your video will look similar to like this. Thank you so much for watching the video.